Hello guys, it's me Shortification, and today I'll show you how to make a smart desk assistant using a few electrical components. We'll use an LCD, an Arduino Uno, some push buttons, a buzzer, a ultrasonic sensor, some jumper wires, and the cable for the Arduino. This will be a smart desk assistant that will do various tasks. Each button will perform a different task. I'll set everything out, then I'll tell you what all the buttons do and the ultrasonic sensor. First you place the ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard. Then you place the buzzer right beside that and all the 5 buttons beside the buzzer. We're going to connect the 5 volts of the Arduino to the positive rail on the breadboard and the ground to the negative rail on the breadboard. Look, I've connected the plus on the breadboard to the plus 5 volts and the ground on the Arduino to the negative rail on the breadboard. So the first button, when you click the first button, it shows you the time. When you click it again, it goes into edit time mode. Then the second and third button will become the hours and the minutes. So when you click the time button again, it will exit the time mode and it will show you the time. The second and third button are for electrical fun facts. The fourth button is to give you more project ideas. And the last button is to go back to the home page. In case the text is long and it can't fit on one page on the LCD, then you can click the button again to make it shift to the other page. And that feature works with all the other buttons too, like with the quotes, the project ideas, and the electrical facts button too. Now we will connect each one side of each button to the ground and the negative of the buzzer to the ground. So I've connected one side of the buzzer and one side of the buttons to the ground. Right, so the first button will be connected to the pin to the digital pin 2 on the Arduino. The second button will be connected to the pin 3 on the Arduino. The third will be connected to the fourth button. The fourth button will be connected to the fifth digital pin, and the last button will be connected to the sixth digital PWM pin. Let me wire that and I'll get back to you. Guys, I've connected the buttons to the Arduino. Now if you want all the codes and all the circuit diagrams of all of this project and of all my other projects, you can join my Discord server. The link is in my bio and I'll even drop the link in the description. Now we connect the buzzer's positive to the pin 9 on the Arduino. I've connected the buzzer to pin 9 on the Arduino. Now in case there's a fire, you should keep a fire extinguisher by your side. Just kidding guys, nothing will go on fire. Now let's wire the ultrasonic sensor. We'll connect the VCC to the plus 5 volt on the breadboard's rail. We'll connect ground to the ground on the breadboard's rail. We'll connect trigger to pin 7 and echo to pin 8 on the Arduino. Let me connect that and get back to you. Look guys, I've wired my ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino and the breadboard's plus and minus. Now we just need to connect the LCD. Guys, my LCD comes with the I2C module, which means the 18 pins are converted into 4 pins, 2 for power and 2 for data. So the ground will be connected to the negative rail on the breadboard. The VCC will be connected to the positive rail on the breadboard. The SDA will be connected to the A4 pin on the Arduino Uno, and the SCL will be connected to the A5 pin on the Arduino Uno. I've wired everything up. Now you make sure that each pin is connected to the right pin on the Arduino or on the breadboard, or else your smart desk assistant won't work. Push the pins in so there's no loose connections. Now you're on the last step. Now you just need to connect the Arduino to the laptop and hope it doesn't explode. Guys, I'm just kidding with you. Now you need to connect the Arduino to the laptop and upload the code. Here you go. Now you have your own personal desk assistant. Let me show you how it works now. Look, I'm going to get close to the sensor and it's going to greet me. Let me get close to the sensor. Look, it greets me. Now when I press the first button, I see the time. If I press it again, I go into edit time mode. Now I can choose the time with the first button and second button. The first button is the exit edit mode, the second button is the hours, and the third button is the minutes. Wait, let me do it again. It goes back to the home page after every 5 seconds of inactivity. Look, now I've set the time to 2:04. Now let's check the second button. Electricity sparks ideas and powers the world. Ohm's law, voltage equals current times resistance. These are just fun electrical fun facts. Now let's press the third button. Electricity yields can generate around 600 volts. These are electrical fun facts too. Now let me press the fourth button. These are the project ideas. You'll get like mini water station, weather station, temperature, humidity, and pressure, ultrasonic parking sensor. So these are all the buttons, and the last button goes back to the home page. So this is your smart home assistant, smart desk assistant. So if you like it, please tell me in the comments. If you want to build one like mine, you can go to my Discord server, and I've placed all the circuit diagrams and codes in my Discord server. Liked this project? Make sure to like and subscribe for more projects just like this one.